Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of interview questions of Informatica. So in this video we'll be discussing about various types of keys, especially we'll be talking about surrogate key. So firstly I want to talk about the various types of keys and what do you mean by keys also. So keys are basically the unique identifiers for an entity or object in the database. We generally use them for operations purposes over the database. There are various kind of keys as you can see here, such as primary key, candidate key, surrogate key, natural key, and there are other also. So this is the example which we'll be using for describing or explaining the surrogate key. So this is the example where table is given. It is having a column STN code which we are using as a key here. We use this key for referral of other data which are there, which represent the values related to the STN code. Like here in the example, the STN code is used to refer the data related to its values. Like if we take example of 150, then 150 is having the other values also like state, RSPM, SPM and date also. So this is how we use the key for representing or referencing the values in the database. Now we will be talking about the surrogate key. So surrogate key is just like a unique identification used for declaring key as a primary key instead of a real or natural key. So as we know that there are various kind of keys like real key and natural key. So we use this surrogate key for making the use of other operations over the database and declaring these keys as primary keys. We can also declare n natural keys as a primary key, which are generally also known as candidate key. So hence it proves that all surrogate keys are candidate key. We can also discuss some of the examples where surrogate keys are used. Like we used it in the MSQL by the use of auto agreement column, and also we use it in Oracle in the means of sequence. So that's all about the surrogate key. All the best for your future.